Hi, my name is Ashish and this is the new video for the Azure DevOps series. In this video, we will see how you grant or restrict access to select features and functions. Well, you can grant or restrict access to resources that you manage in Azure DevOps services or Team Foundation server. Depending on your project needs, you may want to open up or close down access to a select set of features and for a select set of users. While the built-in security groups provide a standard set of permissions or assignments, you may need additional security requirements not met by these assignments. So there may be scenarios wherein you want to change the built-in security groups and the inherited permissions that are coming from the organization or the project level. A recommended method for granting and restricting permissions would be, let's say for maintenance purposes, it is recommended that you use either the built-in security groups or custom security groups. And you cannot change the permission settings for the project administrator group. Like I am the owner of the project that I'm showing you. And however, for all other groups, you can change the permissions. If you manage a small number of users, then you may find changing individual permissions as a valid option. And however, as I showed you, the custom security groups are always the better option to give the permissions on specific resources inside your DevOps organizations. That's why the better way to track the roles and permissions, and you can easily change the set of permissions and remove and add members to that security group. Another good way is to delegate tasks to specific roles. As an administrator or the account owner, it will be a good idea to delegate administrative tasks to those team members who lead or manage your team. Like if I'm the manager, I can delegate some certain tasks to my team lead, to my SME, and then to the senior people, and then to the newly hired people. And then we can categorize it on the basis of the reader account, contributor, team administrator, project administrators, and the project collection administrator. These are different inbuilt roles that you can assign to a certain user to give them the delegation rights. And you can always restrict the access to view or modify objects. Azure DevOps and TFS are designed to enable all valid users to be able to view all objects defined in the system. And we can always restrict their access to resources by setting permissions state to deny. And you can set permissions for members that belong to a custom security group or for an individual user. So that was really it. It was a nice theory section video that we did to show how to grant or restrict access. What are the different ways you can keep track of the roles that you're managing? What are the different ways you can give and remove permissions to the users, and how you can delegate the task. So I hope this was informative to you, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Share all the videos with your known IT people. If you have any feedback, please mention in the comment section. If you have any queries, don't forget to type in your comments on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.